This is Mr. Apple User here, and today I'll be showing you guys how to replace the screen on your iPod video 30GB or 160 if it's cracked, non-working, broken, smashed, completely not viewable. The first thing you want to do is get your new screen, which can be ordered from any one of the sites that'll be in my description. You want to have a pry tool, preferably plastic, but I'll be using this nail file, and a small Phillips screwdriver. First thing you want to do is put your iPod off and put it on hold. And next you want to take your pry tool and slide it along the edges in between the metal part and the plastic of the iPod. And that'll get it open. You want to pry it up until it opens. Once you get it open, it'll look like this. You want to lift the top, and you'll see this on the inside. First thing you want to do is disconnect the battery, which will be connected on the bottom of the hard drive, right here, or near the hard drive by a ribbon. You want to just pull it out gently. It should come straight out. And that'll be out. That's the battery. It's now disconnected. The next thing you want to do is use your small screwdriver and unscrew the 6 screws connecting the plastic part of the iPod, the front plastic part. This is the part that is holding the screen back. You want to unscrew these screws. Once these screws come out, you can lift this portion right here. This comes right off. Now it'll look like this. Now you want to go behind this part, move the hard drive out of your way. You don't have to disconnect it, just pull it down. Make sure it's still connected right here. And this will be where your screen will be connected. The screen will move, it's no big deal. You want to take your pry tool, whether it be a nail file or not, and there's a black flip, like a latch under the ribbon connecting the screen. You want to put the pry tool in there and pop it up. That's holding the ribbon in. Once that lifts up, the ribbon should come out quite easily. Take the screen out. It falls through the front. It's the broken screen. Take the new one. Push it in through the front. Make sure the ribbon comes through the back. And now take the ribbon to the new screen and slide it into the white part that the first ribbon came out of. Get it in as good as you can, and relatch the back the black latch that was holding it in before. It should latch down easily as well. Now the new screen's connected. You can put your hard drive back up, reconnect your battery. Battery connects right here. Right there. You want to make sure the metallic part of the ribbon, it's like a copperish, goldish part, connects with the goldish part under the battery. So you want to push the ribbon in. Give it 1 minute. And now your battery ribbon is connected again. Now you want to put it back together and take your plastic screen cover and attach it. And you can screw it back in, the screws, and gently push everything together. It should snap back in place. Now you want to flick your whole switch and turn your iPod on. Should give it a few minutes. As you can see, the Apple logo on the new screen. And here you have it. Your iPad is fixed, the screen works. And that's it. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to ask and leave them. Apple user out.